A 300 billion yuan fruit market needs real eco-friendly solutions every year. Pulp molded packaging, made from natural plant fibers, returns to nature without polluting the environment. Excellent cushioning performance effectively absorbs shocks during transportation. Appropriate breathability prevents moisture buildup and reduces fruit decay. Whether small berries or large citrus fruits, we provide customized packaging solutions that perfectly fit each fruit's curves. Reduce burden on earth. Keep fruits fresh. Add value to your brand. Let's create a green future together.